with a poor man here. You are hearing the sound of my voice. Die if you want to die. Don't stress the living with no sense sickness. When they go, when they heal, poor men.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Abuja. Yadadi 24.
In the club for you, we share.
Hola. What I call when I they play sharp for. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm a proud Port Harcourt boy anytime, any day. If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Son of Man. They call me the most handsome comedian in Nigeria. Now, if you don't want the remaining days of this year to look like my face, now clap for yourself. Baba, the first day when I looked mirror, I admired myself. I said, fine boy. The mirror break. The face where I carry where I go village last month. Easy more for our village, poor liberation. Say the gods of the land will worship you. Last week Friday, I they come back after 2 a.m. Me and my friend, police stop us. Say, where are you coming from? We say from show. And they arrest my friend. Leave me. My friend say, why? Officer, what is my offense? And the man say, how can you be parading masquerade by this time? That day I was proud of my face. I got to talk about face, they smile. Life no hard. Our ex for Port Harcourt, no, na current date. FCT minister. We're gonna wait now. First tenor, second tenor, 42 flyovers. And I never even know. Igbo no good though. Who smoke Igbo for Port Harcourt? They argue who be FCT minister. First word and drink and smoke. Bye. The minister for FCT now wiki. The second person na lie. Contract is saying Igbo. Contract can say na lie. That's who be the minister. He say. Na eze bongo, na eze bongo. You can't come there look at eze bongo. The third person na lie. That is saying Igbo can say no be eze bongo. Abba, na to the calf careless. The minister na nyesom. Where are the pass for Port Harcourt? If they call you senior boy, sure you are safe. But if they call you boy, jazzing. No turn back. No run. Disappear. Where are they going? Say senior boy. Sure. As I read, I say senior boy. Me I say the minister for FCT. Now we get this one say na eze bongo. This one say na nyeso. Senior boy who be the minister of FCT. I look their three eyes. Their eyes they red. Now shout to Rocha Sim and make they say senior boy. Pow, believe you. Senior boy, right on. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, if a big man want to die, it is sweet. They be like movie. Poor man with they watch big man to die go the hungry am. Okay, are you a big man? Or a former big man? Or a present big man? Just imagine say big man they die, they watch you can just enjoy. Start me with this chair, please. With this one. I didn't mean to disrespect you. I know you're a big man. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. When big man one day, watch me. I saw big man go there for upstairs. He go sit down. He has something like this. My chest. My chest. Who they die you? My chest. She will say, hey, daddy, what is it? What is it? It is short for big man. He go sit down there. Short my chest. Before they don't call ambulance. Carry the man. Go theater. Operate on the man. As a big man that has money. He will give up the ghost. men don't die. Big men are givers. Even when they die, they give up the ghosts. When big men die, they open their eyes. Doctor go say, my brother, inwala mechanyage. But when poor man won't die, the same die. They be like horror movie. Poor man won't die, the same die. You don't change the village that is like this. Now so the poor man go sit down. They like this. Under mango tree. He has something like this. My head, my belly, my waist, my chest. My head, my belly, my waist, my chest. Put my head, that one sickness. The people go there and say, our blood brother, uncle, this, that. That after a brief illness. Illness will don't last 22 years. Now brief illness. You go to shout, hello. She go say, hey, mpa, what is wrong? Oh, let's go a drop. Who they die? Igbo man. I go shout, hey, how about a drop? From here, General Hospital, 200. The price. Finally, they will carry the man go theater. If the big man die, check their poster. You see transition. Or you see the miss. But when poor men die, from their poster you go know. You go see exit of an icon. They never become icon when they are there alive. Oh. Now when they die. When poor man there for room. In all those places, Ward 1 and Ward 2 now cut in and differentiate vote. Now so in go day like that. Begin to breathe fast. Poor men, no, they breathe. Hey. At this point, respond to treatment. In no go green. In go they breathe. Hey. As no one respond to treatment now, Kukuma die now. In no go green die you. In go they breathe. Hey. Children go they spend money up and down. Children go they spend. They say, Ushbebe, my daddy. Ushbebe go carry table money. Put the man no go where. In go still they sick. Hey. They come go borrow money, put the man no go agree where. Finally, when I don't remember 1-5, I don't know what they worry poor men when they won't die. If you're a poor man here, you are hearing the sound of my voice. Die if you want to die. Don't stress the living with no sense sickness. When they go, when they heal, poor men. Probably now no you like this song. Because they shout, I say go they shout, hey wo. Finally when the man won't die, I say go come say, hey Choko de wam. I know you've tried for me. Thunder fire you and try. Die you no go gree die. Survive you no go gree. Money don't finish. Transport no day. Even burial money no day. This man, poor man, they face me. If you poor man here to not be well with you. Finally one die. Look my head. He go say, Chokode, go and get me water. Pour me with water. He go, yeah. Hey. Poor man. Tell you stress us. Good night.
Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Abuja. Yadadi 24.